Feeling lost in the mortgage maze? Let's demystify your potential monthly payments using Zillow's simple tools in under 2 minutes. First, head over to Zillow.com. Right at the top of the page, you'll see a tab labeled Mortgages. Click on it. This will take you to Zillow's Mortgage Hub. Now, look for the Calculators and Tools section. You'll find various helpful resources here. You'll find a mortgage calculator ready to go. Start by entering the estimated home price in the first field. Next, input your planned down payment. You can enter a dollar amount or a percentage of the home price. Now, select your desired loan term, usually 15, 20, or 30 years. Keep in mind that shorter terms mean higher monthly payments but lower total interest paid over the life of the loan. Enter the estimated interest rate if you're unsure. Zillow provides current average rates, which can help you get a good estimate. You'll see that right below that box and you can click it. Voila! Zillow will now calculate your estimated monthly mortgage payment. This includes principal, interest, and, depending on your selection, an estimated amount for property taxes and homeowners insurance, giving you a more complete picture of your potential housing costs. Want to fine-tune your estimate? Click the Refine Results button to adjust property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees for an even more accurate prediction. And that's it. Zillow's Mortgage Calculator provides a quick and easy way to estimate your potential mortgage payments, empowering you to make informed decisions about your home buying journey. Good luck.